Hey guys, what's up? Sorry about my freaking landscaper neighbors or whatever the frick. But we got this 10-inch, it's a JBL. I just wanted to take off the dust cap. This will kill it, definitely. Turn it up a little bit. Oh, I see it smoking, it's smoking. Just a quick part of the video. This is a sub that thing came out of. The driver came out of this crappy, well, it's a sub 100p, the Arena series. I mean, they really had a lot of point noise. Yeah, I could have sealed it, but I have too many speakers. God dang, none of these speakers are even going to be used right now. None of them. At least I still have the mid-range for them. The mid-range is over here. Hold on. But I'm not blowing none of these up because these are too good. Well, I know I won't blow these towers because these sound amazing. But I don't know about those J320s. Haha. Stay tuned for 200 subscriber special.